If you want to see how I got these Gel X nails, then keep watching. So I've already dehydrated and primed my natural nails, and I etched the inside of the nail tip with a nail drill. Now I'm using the Aprez extension gel and applying the tip at a 45-degree angle and then flash curing under the UV light. After you flash cure each nail for about 10 seconds, you want to put the whole hand in the nail lamp for about 1 minute. So in order to get your Gel X nails to last, you have to seal the cuticle, which means blending in the nail tip with the base of your nail. This prevents lifting and from your hair getting stuck under your nails. I'm going in with this neutral builder gel because I'm trying to create this like Pinterest nail art because I have my sorority formal. So I like using a builder gel because it makes the nail tip thick and it's just not like a plastic nail tip. And then I'm going to go in with more of a kind of brownish color, I guess, to make it look more skin tony. I'm kind of doing like a rendition of the Hailey Bieber nails, so you have to wipe off the tacky layer of the nail with an alcohol pad and then rub in the chrome powder with your finger. I feel like that looks the best. And you need to wipe the alcohol like after every single nail so it doesn't dry up because your nail has to be a little bit damp. An alternative is to top coat before you add the chrome, but I don't do that because I feel like it's just a waste of top coat. So these are the rhinestones and pearls that I'm using. I also got this rhinestone glue off Amazon, and I'm basically just putting the rhinestone and pearls in random places. I'm just following the inspo pic that I showed before, basically. So after I applied that, I put my hand in for a minute, and now I'm going to put top coat on and then put my hand in for another minute. And then after that, I'm going to wipe off all the excess chrome with an alcohol pad. And you just need to cure it because if you had wiped it, you would have just wiped off all the chrome that you had on top. The last step is to add some cuticle oil and then you're done. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.